Hi, this is Mike Forte from Forte's Parts Connection. We sell Tremix. I'm direct with Tremix, have been since 1993. I am the guy that put the 3550 from a Ford into a GM in my own 68 Z28 back in 1993. We build engines. We sell Ford racing engines. We sell GM performance engines. We sell and build other engines, including blueprint engines. One of the other things a lot of people really like on the Factory 5 crowd is the mechanical throttle linkage for the Roadster and the Type 65 Coupe. And what that has is, this is the kit right here. These two rod ends bolt into the firewall. This thing goes through the foot box right here. This thing goes down to the gas pedal. These bell cranks are fully adjustable with FK bearing rod ends on them. This end is threaded, the other end you cut and you rethread it to fit the carburetor. This one would fit the gas pedal and this would fit the carburetor. It's very mechanical. It is you can feel it really well. I've had so many people say that's the best thing they've done to their build is this mechanical throttle linkage. It doesn't look like much right here, but it's a well thought out piece. It includes a stainless steel spring throttle return spring for it. This works with carburetors. It works with fuel injection, throttle body style fuel injection, where it would be like a carburetor style, not the one that's like a Mustang for 86 to 95. This would not work with this. But this can also be adapted to Webers or stack fuel injection. Nice. Thank you for watching our video. If you like what you heard today, give us a holler. Look us up on our website. Check into our newsletter, and you can follow us that way. If you'd like to join us on Facebook, Forte's Parts Connection, like us on YouTube, and share us if you'd like. Again, if you have any questions, always feel free. You can reach out with email, MikeForte302@gmail.com. If you're in the area, please stop down. You can find us at 40 Pearl Street in Framingham, Massachusetts. I live in the area. I meet people on Saturdays and Sundays by appointment, holidays too. Because if you're in the area, I find it worth it my time to come down and say hello.